More pa. Ay, si Kuya Prince, oh. There, oh. Kuya Prince. Kuya Prince.
Hello po!
Hello. Iubos your ano na, Clay. Lollipop.
You carry out your own pursuits and drive on your laborers. Yes, your fast ends in quarreling and fighting, striking with wicked glow. Would that today you might fast so as to make your voice heard on high. Is this the manner of fasting I wish, of keeping a day of penance? That a man bow his head like a reed and lie in sackcloth and ashes. Do you call this a fast, a day acceptable to the Lord? This rather is the fasting that I wish, releasing those bound unjustly, untying the thongs of the yoke, setting free the oppressed, breaking every yoke, sharing your bread with the hungry, sheltering the oppressed and the homeless, clothing the naked when you see them, and not turning your back on your own. Turn your light, then your light shall break forth like the dawn, and your wound shall quickly be healed. Your vindication shall go before you, and the glory of the Lord shall be your rear guard.
Daddy, let's go.
Then